I'm in desperate need of a new garage door. Harry Potter put a spell on mine and now it clucks like a chicken.
Well, sir, we offer the best in garage doors with a complete selection of styles and options you will love.
Oh dear God. Sound like salesman. I absolutely despise salesmen.
Actually, I'm not selling you anything, sir. I direct folks to our amazing website called Showroom Partners.
Let me look at this website. These garage doors are exquisite. Please bring me out one today. No windows, please. I don't want the neighbors peeking at all of my stuff.
I don't deliver or install anything, sir. I just provide the resource.
Shit. Cancel Christmas. At midnight, I'll turn you into a farm animal.
$15 an hour.